Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for True Superhero 4G. We have here one sample which has the Imei damaged. So I'm going to repair its Imei to the original one from the back sticker using FURIOUSGOLD and SPD Service Tool latest version. You can notice here the bad Imei. So let's start by powering off the device. On SPD Service Tool we go to the App Mode tab and we select our model True Superhero 4G. From here I'm going to select Imei BT Relock, and here I'm going to input the Imei from the phone back sticker. So let's write it here. Okay, now we reattach the battery. We put back the cover and we leave the phone powered off. On the software I'm going to press connect, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply insert the USB cable in the powered off device. If everything is okay, the phone should get detected after a while. So that's all, in less than 20 seconds. You can also do a security repair. If you get a security check result value different from 0. Now let's wait for the phone to power on. Let's check the Imei. So as you can see, the Imei got successfully repaired to the original value. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.